Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. I'm really excited to be back with another video. I'm going to be creating this look you see here, definitely inspired by Pride Month. And I just wanted to say quickly that to all of my LGBTQ friends, thank you for being yourself, thank you for staying true to yourself. You are loved and you are special no matter what. And yeah, you guys, so I got really inspired by Pride Month and I wanted to create this rainbow looking look. And I'm using the Makeup Shack Rainforest palette. It's a completely new palette to me. And yeah, you guys, so I'm really excited to be here again and do a look for you guys. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, just please keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I did clean up my brow off camera and I used the Tarte Shape Tape and Light Medium and a Morphe M224 brush for that, and I blended it out with this Makeup Shack brush. It's just like a little blending brush. Eyeshadow base, I'm using the Plouise Mitchell blank canvas base for this, and just with a little Plouise brush, I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. I love this base, you guys. Like, it just holds the shadow really nicely. And I'm actually using a new palette today, and this palette is by the Makeup Shack, and it is a Rainforest palette. I'm really excited to use this palette. I've never tried their brushes, are really good. I've never tried their palettes, and yeah, like, I'm really excited to try this one out. So I'm going to apply that base all over my lid. And I'm going to be using this blending brush that I use for my concealer to just blend everything out. Okay, you guys, so now that my base is blended, I'm moving on to my first shade, and I'm going to be using this yellow right here from the palette. And okay, let's try it out and see. I'm going to be putting this yellow, you know what, I don't know why I'm grabbing this big old brush for this. I shouldn't be using this big eyeshadow brush. I should use something small. So I'm going in with this yellow, and I'm using the Morphe M124 for this. And I'm going to apply, you know what, I'm going to go over this base and make sure that it didn't crease on my inner part of the eye. And for my next shade, I'm going to be using this orange right here next to it. So just going to apply that over that yellow, just right here. These shades are so pigmented, you guys. And I love how the base like makes the shade, the color pop out even more. And for my next shade, you guys, I'm using the darkest red in the palette, this bright red right here. I'm actually just going to apply that on the outer of the orange, so which is this part right here. This is gonna be really intense, like. going back to that brush that I used for the orange shade, I'm just going to go in and blend in the orange with the red, just so I won't get any red onto the orange, just because the orange is lighter. So for my next shade, you guys, I'm using the purple underneath. Well, actually it's not underneath that red, but the purple right here. I'm actually going to use a makeup shack for this, and this brush is a little smaller than the other ones, just a little tad bit, just to add to the look, just like that. But I'm going to blend it out, you guys. Then I'm going in with that orange brush and I'm going to blend out that orange shade. Where is my orange brush? Oh, girl, I lost it. The same for the orange, for the yellow as well. And same for the purple. Going to be adding a little more purple onto the corner, just make it more intense. Okay, you guys, so moving on to eyeliner, and I'm using the Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright gel pencil in the shade Dreamtopia, and I really wanted a pink waterline, so I want to try it out and see what it looks like. So pretty. That is so pretty, I love it. I'm using this blue right here and I'm going in with just a small, like it's kind of like a tapered brush. Not really, I don't know, it's like just a tiny little pencil brush, and I'm going to apply some onto my waterline right here on the outer corner. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared. I'm scared. I don't know if it's gonna look, because it's a really intense blue, you know? It's really dark, so. Okay, now I'm adding that baby blue, you guys. I'm actually going to add it using that other brush that I had used to blend out this blue, and I'm just going to add it in the front of the inner eye. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I will go ahead and link down below everything I did use. If you did like my video, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment something sweet down below. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much if you have been up to date with my videos, and please don't forget to turn on your notifications so you can get an alert when I do upload, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. After a week, I know I took a break. I shouldn't be taking breaks right now, you guys, because I have to be consistent, but whatever. For today's look, I created this makeup look you see here obviously making vlogs. Oh my god. Hi, baby. Hello, and yeah, you guys. And you are part of the LGBTQ community. So sorry about that.